everyone, this is Miss Sneha from Oscar English Institute of Learning, and today we are gonna learn about 10 English slang words, and with the help of the slang words you can speak like a native speaker. So without any further delay, let's get inside the video. The first word in our list is faff. Faff means to waste time. For example, throughout this lockdown, I have been faffing around. Or you can also say that I have not completed my assignment because I was faffing around. The next word is kick-ass. Kick-ass means to express something extremely, immensely great or to encourage someone. For example, that song was such a kick-ass. Or you can also say that do not hesitate to go to the stage and perform. Go kick some ass. It is used to express someone to be themselves and to do good. The next word that we have is gobsmacked. Gobsmacked means to be surprised. For example, I was completely gobsmacked by the new episode of the series Dark. Or you can also say that he was gobsmacked by the surprise party thrown to him by his friends. The next word is flog. Flog means to sell. For example, I think I'm planning to flog this car. Or you can also say that the shopkeeper flogged me this hand sanitizer at a very reasonable price. The next word that we have in our list is screw up. Screw up means to mess out. For example, you can say that I really hope that this time you do not screw up your relationship. Or you can also say that I screwed up my terminal examination. This means you did pretty bad at your exam and you messed it up. The next word in our list is splashed out. Splashed out means to spend extravagantly or more than required. For example, I splashed out completely on my birthday party. Or you can also say I splashed out when we went out for shopping. That means you spent more than necessary on an item or something that you required at that time. The next word that we have is haggle. Haggle means to bargain. For example, I had to haggle a lot with the shopkeeper to buy this dress at a reasonable price. Or you can also say that my mother had haggled for about half an hour for an inexpensive item when we went out for shopping. So that's what mom usually do, doesn't it? Now, next word that we have in our list is rip-off. Rip-off means to charge more than its actual price or being fraud. For example, do not go to that mall, you'll get ripped off. Or you can also say that I was completely ripped off when I was charged more than necessary for this bag. Now, moving on to the next word. The next word that we have in our list is damn. Damn comes along with an exclamation sign which is used to express anger or frustration. For example, damn, I completely forgot that thing at that time. Or you can also say, damn, I need to buy a new earphone again. So this is the way you can express your anger or frustration with a different word rather than your usual words. Now, the last word that we have in our list is for real. For real is used to express your genuine feelings. For example, I have not prepared for this exam for real. And also you can say that I have always wanted for this job and I got this time for real. So with this, we have come to the end of our video session. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, hit the like button, comment down below about your experiences with the slang words, and also hit the subscribe button. And also, I would like to request you to share this video with those who desperately want to learn about the slang words. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope to meet you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.